Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Yeezy DIY inspired season 6 collection. I love this collection so much. It's so chill, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the looks for a lot less. Alright, stay tuned for the end and I'll show you guys where to get some dupes from Missguided. Alright, first outfit. I love this coat so much. It looks exactly like the one she's wearing, but the one she's wearing costs a lot more. So this one I got from GoodWill and it was around $12. It's so cute, warm, comfortable. For the second item, I got from this thrift store called Park Avenue Thrift, and it was literally only 99 cents, and I made it into a crop top. And the next thing I got are these leggings, and they're from Walmart. They're so comfortable. I'm so excited to wear them beyond this. And like I said, these looks are pretty easy to put together because they're really chill and they're staple pieces. As for the shoes, these are the heels from the collection, and these are my dupes. This was for a lot less though. This was $3 from Park Avenue Thrift, and they fit perfect. The next look is my favorite. It's so chill, it's so cute, and I got these leggings from Park Avenue Thrift, and they were around, I don't know, $3, I can't remember. As for this crop top, I made it from an old t-shirt that I had. It was pretty easy. If you guys want to see how I DIY some of my items, just let me know and I'll make a video for you guys. And in order for me to get the look of her shearling coat, I had to get a sweatshirt and put it under an oversized jacket. So this sweatshirt hoodie is actually from Park Avenue Thrift. I think it was around $6 at most, and I decided to pair it up because I couldn't find the exact coat that she had, so this is pretty close. And this is how it looks when it's all paired together. I thought it looked pretty close, and yeah, it's really comfortable and so cute. And I wore the same leggings that I just showed you guys. I don't know why I'm saying that again. Now the sneakers I picked up from a store in the Mall of Georgia. They're so cute. I can't remember the store exactly, but they're Wild Diva shoes, and they were $24.99, and they look exactly like the Yeezy Boost, and they're pretty comfortable too. Alright, this look is really bomb also. Alright, so I couldn't find the exact sweater. I ended up finding one in H&M later, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys. This one's from Walmart and it's $9. And as for the sweats or leggings, they're the same material, and the sock heels are DIY by me. If you guys want to see a DIY on that, I have one on my Instagram page. You guys can check it out. And yeah, it's so cute and comfortable. This look is really bomb on her. So I got these dress pants from Park Avenue Thrift, and they were only, I think they were about $4. I don't have the tags on them anymore, so sorry about that. And as for the crop top, I just used a bandeau top, and I've had it for a while, so I don't know how much it was, but I found a similar one in Park Avenue Thrift for about $3. And these heels I got from Windsor store. They're about maybe 6 months ago, and they're so cute. They look exactly like the heels. And this was just my bonus outfit. I was feeling very Yeezy inspired when I was in the thrift store, and I found these cute sweatpants. Man, I love them so much. They're perfect. They're high waist. They were actually in the men's section. That's my favorite place to go to look for leggings and joggers, like not leggings, joggers. I just love them so much. And this sweater, oh my god, it was actually from the New York & Company Gabrielle Union collection, and it was only like $12. As for these boots, I can't afford them, but Windsor store had them for only $5. It was like a sale on like buy one heel, get the other one for $5. They're a bit tight, but I had to get it. Alright, so this is the Missguided section, and I'm going to show you guys how you can get the look for a lot less if you don't have any thrift stores near you. Missguided dropped a collection that's literally the exact same outfits, and they've been getting a lot of backlash about this, but hey, you got to get the look for less. I'm gonna show you guys a couple side-by-sides and some tips for shopping online and thrifting. I recommend, if you guys are gonna shop online, to first Google or search 3 places, because a lot of the times whenever you're looking for something and you need it like immediately, you only go to one site and you could have got, you know, another outfit for a lot less. So I would go to 3 of your favorite stores and see if they all carry something and see the difference in prices, and then make your decision. Alright you guys, thank you for watching. If you guys have any recommendations for videos, just let me know. If you guys want to see DIYs, just leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Before I go, you know I have to ask you guys, which look would you rock? I absolutely love look 4, and look 3 and 4 are actually the same looks. I messed up by putting that up there. The picture I got from Instagram had it up there. I should have taken it out, but I absolutely love look 3, 4, and 7. What about you? Leave a comment below, and I want to know what you guys' style is, and you know how you would rock everything. I had to go. Oh, na 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 na.